Okay, we keep going on. So how to close to it? It's very easy. Just close this lid. You can find this light is shiny. So maybe 2 minutes it will stop working. Right, that is the how to use our mini series and some details about it. And then we will talk about how to use our baby series. Yes, it's also very easy. Just take it out and choose which one you want to use, because we have different 6 different degrees of hardness of its surface. So maybe for me, I want to choose maybe the yellow one as kind of middles of the surface hardness. Okay, just put it in the knife and just press this button. Yes, you don't need to for the long press for it. And then choose which speed you want it. We have 3 different speeds for it. And then put your finger slowly close to it. Yes, very slowly. And don't need to make it harder. Yes. And also if you want to make it more light, just long press this button. You can find this light is on, right? And you can use it in the darkness environment. And when you want to close it, just press this button. Yes, until this knife is stop working. And also, if you want to close this light, just long press it here. It stop working, right? And also we can do ODM, the logo. We can do your brand, and also we can design the colors or the shape of the outside. Yes, just leave your message and contact us. You will get the latest price, latest policy for you. And also we will always get the latest price on the live show, so don't be missing our live show. That's all for the details of the baby series. Okay, so today's live show is almost for the ending. If you have any questions, please follow us and text me on the screen or leave messages. So we will give you, our college will contact you. Yes, I'm sure that you will get the latest price, latest price and policy, and also we will have the best service for you. Okay, so today's live show is almost ending, so we can see you tomorrow. Okay, see you, bye bye.